Hi guys, my name is Uchechi and I'm a digital marketing professional. I enjoy showing business owners their way around Instagram and other social media platforms so that they can use these tools to grow their business. If you are a small business owner or a content creator who, one, does not have the budget for social media management and so has to do this themselves, two, has the budget for social media management, but because you are just starting out, you want to handle this yourself for a while before handing over to someone else, or three, the whole idea of social media management just scares you and you think it is rocket science, then this channel is for you. Why? Because with each upload, I'm taking you from this point of fear, of uncertainty, to this point where you be like, oh, okay, this is not as difficult as I thought it was. So if this is what you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I upload videos every Friday, so do not miss it. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll get a notification once a video goes live, and check my channel description for links to other platforms where you can catch up with me.